my name is Libby Kuntz, and this is my introduction video for IT 568. So first of all of my stuff says Elizabeth, but I don't ever go by Elizabeth. I go by Libby. I'm taking this class for the PDS credit and also for credit towards my master's degree, and to learn a lot of new things. So I'm really excited about it. So a little bit about me. I teach math. I just finished my 5th year of teaching at Liberty Middle School in Edwardsville. So far I've taught 6th, 7th, and 8th grade math. And this year I'm teaching summer school as well as taking summer school. So I'm teaching high school Algebra 1 and also high school geometry. So a little bit about my personal life. I've been married 4 years, as of last Thursday actually. So there's a picture of me and my wife. That's me right there. We have 3 kids. 2 we are fostering. Let's see, Malachi, he's a baby in this picture, but he is 4.5 months old now. That's his big brother Matthew, who is 2.5, and then that is our nephew Peyton. We've had him for a couple of years now. He is 12. We also have 3 poodles. That's Abby and Chloe and Corky. And sorry, I don't have a much better picture of them. It's hard to catch 3 poodles at one time. A little bit of extra information about me. I coach the varsity girls golf team at Edwardsville High School. I also coach our bot-ball team, which is our robotics club at Liberty, and then I also do the intramural golf program at Liberty. Some of my hobbies, I'm an avid golfer, and then also we play a lot of board games in my house. Actually have most of those board games that are listed there. So that's all I have. I'm looking forward to watching everybody else's introduction videos and getting to know everybody a little bit better. All right, thank you.